Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite homemade masks for glowing and healthy looking skin. This mask is completely natural and easy to make, and it's perfect if you want to pamper your skin without using any chemicals. I'm using ingredients all from my kitchen. These ingredients are well known for their cooling, brightening and cleansing properties. So let's get started. Here are the two-star ingredients of this mask, cucumber and tomato. Cucumber is super cooling while tomato is rich in vitamin C, and together they do wonders. I'm taking about 1/4 of a cucumber and half a tomato. Peel the cucumber and grate them one by one. Cucumbers are hydrating and help soothe the skin, while tomatoes are amazing for reducing tanning and giving a natural glow. Now you can see I have grated both cucumber and tomato. The next step is to mix and strain them to extract the fresh juice. I'm straining them together to get a smooth juice without any pulp. This way it's easier to mix with our base. In another bowl I'm taking 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, also known as besan. It's one of the best natural cleansers, removes dirt and excess oil. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of our cucumber and tomato juice to the flour. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is deeply moisturizing and also helps calm the skin. And finally 1 teaspoon of rose water for freshness and a cooling effect. Now I'll mix everything together until I get a good smooth consistent paste. The texture should be just right, not too thick, not too runny, but I feel this is a little thick, so I'll add 1 teaspoon of cucumber and tomato juice. And here's our fresh homemade glow mask ready to apply. Always start with a clean face so the skin absorbs all the benefits properly. Remove any jewelry if you are wearing and put a headband. This helps to keep the hair away from the face. Now I'm taking the mask with a silicone brush. You can also use your fingers if you like. I'll start from the cheeks and forehead and spread it outwards in upward strokes. The texture feels cooling and refreshing already. I forgot to wrap the towel around my neck, which can protect my clothes from any spills. This is a really small step, but it really makes the application clean and easy. Don't forget the areas like the nose and chin, because these are the spots where we usually get dullness and excess oil. I also like to apply it on my neck because the skin there is just as delicate and deserves the same care. I love cucumber slices on my eyes for soothing and cooling effect. After about 20 minutes, the mask feels nice and tight. Now I'll take little water in my hands and gently massage it into my skin to loosen the mask. The mask is softened. I'm first removing it with a wet gauze so it comes off gently without tugging the skin. This helps avoid any irritation or redness. After that, I rinse with plain water to make sure there's no residue left and the skin feels completely fresh and clean. And here's the result. My skin feels instantly fresh, soft and glowing. It's such a simple mask but really effective if you use it 2 to 3 times a week. Now I'm gently applying a light moisturizer. This step is really important because it locks in all the hydration from the mask and keeps the skin soft, smooth and glowing.